So what is the best type of kitchen lighting? Well, there's quite a few different options when it comes to lighting of a kitchen. So what I'm going to do, just going to go through a few of the different options that are available, and then right at the end, I'll tell you what's my favourite. But what you've got in kitchen, you can have just your normal pendants, which can either be in the centre of a kitchen or just designated for over islands and breakfast bars. You can obviously just have your normal spotlights that are in the ceiling. So they're just set into the ceiling. You can have just a central globe. You can have like a strip light with spotlights coming off them, or fluorescent tube if you really want to, but I don't advise that one. And then what you can have is the different types of lighting where you can get involved with the units. You can have under unit lights, obviously with the sensors, it can goes on and off. You can also have plinth lights. You know, that's quite important. You know, if you just trying to get put a little bit of different edge and style into the kitchen. You can have under worktop lighting as well, all LED. You can also get light boxes, which are really quite cool. So you can actually have the bottom shelf that's actually a light in itself. So that obviously reflects into the cupboard and then comes down onto the worktops and helps with the lighting of that from that respect. But my favourite, when it comes to lighting, I love spotlights. I think they're so clean. I prefer the spotlights to be white as well, so they disappear with the colour of the ceiling. Really important to me. I also love under unit lights, nice LED strips, because what's important for me is when the different zones, because when you are choosing lighting for your kitchen, I feel it's really important that if you just want to make a cup of tea or just want to make a sandwich and in the evening, you don't have to go in and turn all the main lights on, because a lot of times a lot of spotlights in the ceiling. So what you do, if you've got on a separate switch just to turn your under unit lights on, then it's just, that's a nice ambient light. It's enough light to make yourself a cup of tea, make yourself a sandwich without having the brightness of all the lights coming on in the kitchen all at once. So be very cautious about the different zones when you are doing your lighting positioning with your electrician or your builder, because that's quite important that you get that right. So that'd be my favourite. Spotlights in the ceiling, lovely ambient lighting, whether that's going to be around the bottom of the worktop or under unit lights itself. So they're the different types of lighting you can have when it comes to your kitchen. So I hope that helped answer your question on what's the best lighting for your kitchen. If you'd like to go and check out all my blogs, articles and videos, they've all been designed for you to help you with your home improvement project. So go check them out and I'll catch you next time.